always knew I wanted to be a science major. Before I went to the University of Delaware, I really debated. Before I even matriculated, I was a chemistry major, and then I switched to neuroscience, and then I switched to biology. But I ultimately settled with biology because I think that like learning about living systems is really interesting. Dr. Galileo's lab interested me the most because I dealt with cancer research, which I thought was like pretty much the most interesting topic available, and specifically brain cancer. It's just really cool to be able to work with like this very deadly cancer and potentially contribute to a cure for it. Well, I'm specifically working with glioma cells. There's the cells of glioblastoma multiforme, which is the deadliest form of brain cancer. So basically my project involves applying reagents to the brain cancer cells and measuring the difference with motility and proliferation, and those reagents that end up reducing the motility and proliferation of the glioma cells could potentially be translated into a chemotherapy for brain cancer.
What Hannah's trying to do is to screen various small molecule inhibitors and antibodies, and we're actually trying to make monoclonal antibodies against this molecule that stimulates these cells to want to migrate into the brain. And so it's a very exciting project, and she's got good data so far. So she has a year left, and I'm really excited about it.
After I graduate next May, I plan to attend medical school.
She seems to be very interested in this problem of cell migration in glioblastoma, and who knows, she might become a neurosurgeon or a neurologist.
I think STEM education is super important. I think if we want to be competitive in the international market, we really need to start focusing more on STEM education in not just college, but in the lower levels too, in grade school and high school.